Okay, so we've learned two things. We learned how to add and subtract polynomials. This one is a addition or subtraction problem. Subtraction, because here it is in the middle. We're subtracting. What is the first thing that we do when we subtract? We go through and we change the signs. Now, one way that you can do that is from the original problem. Change this to a plus. This is a positive, so that becomes negative. That's there, and you can change that to a negative. Okay, this is a positive 2g, so it becomes a negative 2g. So I'm going to rewrite that so it's nice and neat. G to the third minus 2g squared plus 5g plus 6, because everything here stays the same. It's everything afterwards that we have already changed. So I'm just going to copy this as I see it. Plus negative g squared plus negative 2g. Now it's a addition problem. Okay? And we know what to do. We go through, we start at the beginning. G3. Cross it out. Any more G3s? No. Come back to the beginning. What's this? Negative 2g squared. Cross it out. Any more g squareds? Oh, there's one. Negative g squared. Any more? None. Come back to the beginning. Cross it out. 5g. Any more g's by themselves? Oh, there's one. Negative 2g. Okay? Any more? No more g's, but here's a 6. Any more numbers? Anything left? No. Now I'm ready to combine like terms. Start with the first one. Do I have any g's to the thirds? No. Negative 2 minus 1 is negative 3g squared. Those get rid of. Plus 5. Oops, I made a mistake. 5g and minus 2. So 5 minus 2 is 3g plus 6. So my final answer is this. Okay? Now I'm going to show you another way. It might help as well. You know, Mrs. Beavers always says she hates subtraction. Well, I'm going to really hate subtraction right now. You ready? First, I am going to keep this the same. 4 plus 2a squared minus 2a. Okay? I'm going to go through and I'm going to change all my signs. This becomes addition. This is already positive, so it becomes negative. Okay? This becomes positive. And this becomes negative. Okay? So then that becomes plus negative 3a squared plus 8a plus negative 7. Now, didn't I say I hate subtraction? I don't hate negatives. This is a negative 3. Don't hate you. This is a negative 7. Don't hate you. But you, I don't like. Your subtraction. I'm going to change you. Plus, minus. Remember when we used to do that? That's what I'm going to do. Now, I don't have any subtractions, do I? Because I really hate them. Now, I'm ready to combine like terms. Start with the first one. Here's a 4. I'm going through and finding anybody that's a constant. This is 4. This is a constant. It's all by itself. There's no variables. It's a constant. Going through, see a bunch of numbers, but no constant. This is a coefficient, 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 coefficient. There's my constant. Plus negative 7. Come back to the beginning. Plus 2a squared. Do I have any more squareds? Here's one. Negative 3a plus negative 3a squared. Any more a squareds? Nope. Come back to the beginning. There's something. Plus negative 2a. Keep going. Plus 8a. Now I'm going to combine my like terms, okay? Simplify, excuse me. I just combined my like terms. Now I'm going to simplify. 4 plus a negative 7 is a negative 3. 2a plus negative 3a is a negative a squared, because there's that 1. 2 minus 3 is negative 1. Plus negative 2 plus 8 is a positive 6a. Okay? Now let's look at this problem right here. What do we have? This is a addition problem. I'm just going to go through. I'm going to add 7x to the third minus 3 plus negative 3x to the third plus 8. I've changed no signs. Okay? Now if I really want to hold true to my I hate subtraction, negatives I like. I hate subtraction. Okay? Start off with the first one, 7x to the third. Go through any more x to the thirds? There's 1. Plus negative 3x to the third. Come back to the beginning. Got anything? Plus negative 3 plus 8. 7x minus 3 is a positive 4x to the third. Negative 3 plus 8 is a positive 5. Okay? Alright, I hope that's helped. The big thing to remember is when you go through, first determine if it's an addition or a subtraction problem, and then change all those signs after it. We'll work some more tomorrow. Bye.